There is an organ in the human body with one biological purpose: pure pleasure. It contains twice the nerve endings found in the penis. Yet for centuries, medical science dismissed it as a useless leftover. When medical textbooks were written almost exclusively by men who didn't study this anatomy, it remained a complete mystery to the scientific community. Most anatomy lessons focus only on the small, visible glands. But beneath the surface, there is a complex, multi-layered architecture that is largely ignored by traditional education. This gap in medical knowledge has real consequences. Many women experience unexplained numbness or feel a sense of fear during menopause because they lack the biological context to understand how their bodies are changing. Learning the true scale of this internal structure is the first step towards overcoming that numbness and supporting your long-term physical health. When an organ is omitted from the medical record, it leaves people without the vocabulary to describe their own physical experiences. The clitoris and the penis are homologous, meaning they develop from the exact same tissue in the embryo. Without a surge of testosterone in the womb, that identical tissue naturally develops into the clitoris. Modern imaging shows the visible pea-sized glands is only 10. Blood rushes into the internal structures, causing them to swell and become firm. This reaction also signals surrounding glands to provide the lubrication necessary to prevent injury. This physical response is only half of the story. To see the full scope of the biological event, we have to look at the brain. This functional MRI scan shows the brain during climax. The vibrant yellow and green areas represent intense neural activity across regions responsible for memory, emotion, and social bonding. It is a full brain, whole body experience that involves far more than a simple localized reflex. Let's test your knowledge. Does the clitoris stop growing as a woman gets older? You have 10 seconds to drop your guess in the comments. The answer is no. This organ continues to grow throughout a woman's life and can reach 2.5 times its original size after menopause. While the biology is resilient, the history of ignoring this anatomy has led to devastating global consequences. Over 230 million women today are living with the effects of female genital mutilation. This practice is based on the myth that women's desires must be controlled, and it results in severe, lifelong physical trauma. Even in non-traumatic cases, many women deal with numbness caused by nerve damage during childbirth or the drop in estrogen that comes with aging. However, these nerve endings can be supported. Through localized hormone therapy and pelvic floor exercises, it is possible to revive function and improve physical comfort at any age. Understanding how these structures work provides the tools to address health concerns that were once dismissed as social taboos. Recognizing how your anatomy is wired and how it evolves is the first step toward reclaiming your well-being. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to Biology and Health as we continue to decode the human body.